This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Bgmi is updated and your device has enough power, because changing graphics can spike load. Open the game and tap the gear icon to enter settings now. This gets you to the graphics menu. If you are on a low-end phone, enable performance mode first so the engine scales appropriately. Otherwise, the HD options may not stick. Once in settings, navigate to graphics. That's where you will pick quality and frame rate. You now choose the actual HD options. Select HD or Ultra HD in the graphics dropdown. This improves texture detail and draw distance, which helps spotting enemies. Then set frame rate to 60 or 90 FPS if your hardware allows. Higher FPS reduces motion blur and input lag. If enabling HD drops performance, make incremental changes. Turn down anti-aliasing, shadows, or effects, because those consume. Apply your changes and restart Bgmi so the engine reloads assets at the new quality. This avoids transient glitches. You should test in the training room for 5 to 10 minutes to check FPS, stutters, and device temperature, because sustained heat can throttle performance. If the game crashes or lags, clear the app cache, make sure your GPU drivers or system firmware are current, and revert one setting at a time to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.